Shiba Inu holders, let me ask you something, guys. Is $20 million enough for you to retire happy with Shiba Inu? Some of you will say, absolutely, please give it to me, and I'm out. Well, what you're seeing right now on the screen is the second page of all the Etherscan whales. And they currently, some of them are exchanges, some of them are actual wallets from holders. They haven't sold even at $20 million with the amount of Shiba Inu they collected. By the end of this video, I want to discuss something. Can we retire happy and early with SHIB, even at this price? Because I think you know that most of these people, if you start scrolling down, they bought and they got distribution of tokens. Like, look at that, 600, 600, 600. That's 12 million, 12 million, 12 million, 12 million, 12 million. It's a lot of money. Is there a chance for us, investors who bought after 2022, after 2023, we're holding billions, millions, multiple billions, that can we get to a multi-million price level, right? Well, that's what I want to discuss, because if there's some whales right now, some whales that you can continue going to all kinds of pages and you will see that there's $10+ million wallets. That's a lot of money. And I've been seeing this page for such a long time, years right now, and I know they haven't moved. Like, they're waiting for something. It's nice to see that they just don't collapse and rock pull the entire project, right? Because I believe they're kind of looking ahead at what's possible. And the price of Shiba Inu has gone higher multiple times. If you come here, if you take a look at the price of SHIB and you click all, the price right now at 4021, we're at 403, 404, 405, and 408. That means that, there's potential. And what price do we need to see? So if we buy today, we can reach that multi-millions. Well, that's what I want to tell you by the end of this video, because I know the prices don't look as attractive. That's how it's actually easier for anybody to become rich with crypto, when you buy the bottom, the floor, the blood on the streets. Not a financial advisor, but I really think, guys, that I'm not wasting my time with this token. I know it's controversial. I know it's not easy. I know there's many other projects, but man, this one has a special place in my portfolio. I've been holding so long. And if you know that, guys, well, drop a like, drop a comment, consider subscribing. Very happy to have you. And the first link down below is exactly where you could buy your Shiba Inu, right? We got beautiful bonus first time deposit if you guys haven't done it. Up to 10,000 welcome bonus for your Shiba Inu, guys. 500x position leverage for your futures, for your longs, for your shorts. And you can trade anywhere, anytime. They've been in business for 13 years. So if you're kind of looking for a place to buy, long, hold, this might be a great opportunity, guys. Plus, some more rewards as well. So go ahead and try it out. Join me. Now, I use this website to kind of balance things out and see the possibilities. I'm not saying that we're going to get to that right Ethereum market cap, because you can select Bitcoin, you can select Tether, you can select Ethereum, because they Ripple. It kind of depends what market cap you use for Shiba Inu. But I read this article, and this is one of the most accurate articles that I was able to find, and it's a recent one. The point that it's trying to make is, can anybody just come invest money and then get to the 2 million retirement threshold in the US? I was asking you guys in some of my lives, where would you like to be at the end of your investing journey in crypto? And the answer, instead of billions or so, it was millionaire and multimillionaire. Because billions, personally for me, that's too much. I don't need it. But multi-millions is for me to don't worry about money again and just enjoy life, which I think that's what a lot of us want, right? Doesn't matter if it's Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Pepe, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. I think you just are finding possibilities in different tokens. Meme coins still have an edge. I believe meme coins, obviously, they haven't seen a bull market yet, guys. So anyone here can still make tremendous progress. And I think Shiba Inu is one of those that can reach $100 billion, right? That is my level. That is where I feel like it. That's what I've been saying for such a long time. $100 billion Shiba Inu. Guys, it's close to a 10x from the price right now. But check this out. What the article is saying is, as you see right there, you need to invest $10,000, $50,000, or $100,000 into Shiba Inu right now at a 4022. The price of Shiba Inu is 4023, so it's less than what this price was taken. And what it says is, if the price of Shiba Inu was able to reach 204, 308, or 304. That's the price. Now, I don't have $100,000 worth to invest in Shiba Inu, but I'm closer to this one, the 50K. $10,000, in my opinion, I can do a little bit better, right? So I'm in the middle, somewhere in the middle. People, I just showed you right now, they are already multimillionaires. Look at these wallets. These wallets belong to my knowledge, years ago. Let me see when these wallets were. Yeah, you see that? This wallet was used 530 days ago. This wallet has, a different type of owners or one owner, right? It's kind of like the same owner that knows how much they want to send. I mean, could be manipulated for sure. That kind of happens in all different cryptos, especially in meme coins. But they haven't moved any Shiba Inu from these wallets. And they're right next to exchanges. Maxi, Binance, 15, right? There's a lot of money here invested. And if you go through all the pages, you're going to find that there's many, many, many wallets at that range because it's a lot of money. $9 million. Like, look at all the amount of money. Nobody can really get anywhere close in the top 100 of the wallets in Shiba Inu because it's all filled with million level wallets. But what's going to happen with these million level wallets when the price of Shiba Inu goes very high or to $100 billion? Well, guys, you will need to cash out to be multimillionaire, right? Because this token already has everyone ready to sell. That's one of the reasons that Shiba Inu tries to pump and comes down, because there's a lot of people on top of us who are already made their money and who at any time can just cash out. Then, Oscar, is this price even possible for us to get to what the article is saying? Well, let me explain. Every price that I see here for the investment money that they're proposing, it's the price it's gonna be extremely difficult to get, especially at the 10,000. I consider the 3 zeros something decent. Like, at least they're not saying 1 penny Shiba Inu or $1 Shiba Inu. That is ridiculous. What they're saying is 204, 308, and 304. Now 3017 is 100 billion. 304. That's why I have this one. 304 is a little bit. It might be Tether. There you go. So it's in between Tether and Ethereum in market cap. So it's roughly $230 billion market capitalization. From 200 to 300 billion market capitalization. That is the first level if you buy $100,000 right now. So if you buy it, 100K at this price, you will have $2 million worth of Shiba Inu. If that's what you want, then that's the goal, and I just helped you understand the possibilities. But 200 to 300 billion dollars Shiba Inu might be too much for the token to reach, because like I'm explaining, there's a lot of whales who are gonna be selling before that, right? This is not a token that it can escape such high amount. Plus, no other meme coin has done it. I like the way they break it down for you to understand, the different opportunities. But you might need a much higher investment in Shiba Inu to make that $2 million for a lesser price. And the first one is going to be 100 billion market capitalization. This and this, they require ups in the 500 billion market capitalization, and more. At 204, guys, you literally have to be compared to Bitcoin, which is close to 2 trillion. That's not going to happen for Shiba Inu anytime, or maybe never, ever, right? So saying that just buy 10,000 and you're going to have $2 million right now, if we don't delete that supply, not much is going to occur. So this one is canceled. This one, it is, for anybody who wants to continue holding past the 100 billion, but still difficult. This one is, I think, where I feel the most comfortable, but that you are putting 6-digit investment in Shiba Inu, where if you have tremendous millions, as you're seeing, because there's people, right? We might don't have that amount, but there's a lot of wallets, individuals, exchanges, institutions that do own that kind of money, and they have it just sitting there. I just show you 529 days doing nothing, just holding that. Maybe it's staking, right? Because they want to make some money staking. So I think they're really holding for what's to come for Shiba Inu, and that's pretty awesome that they're not just crashing the whole project. So I believe that meme coins have an opportunity to start rallying. Now you know much better, guys, what it's required if you want to be multimillionaire with Shiba Inu, to retire early for some, but it's not easy, right? But the good news, guys, is that the altcoin season hasn't started, and I'm bullish. And join me in BTCC, first link down below. Start trading and start making those positions. Thanks for watching, guys. What do you think? Let me know your comments down below. I mean, right now, there's not much bullish momentum for the prices, but what a better topic to discuss, even before 2025 starts. See the possibilities and see where we're heading. First to that 50 billion, 40 billion, 50 billion, 60 billion, and then we'll see if 2025 can help us get there to 100 billion. That's, I think, where I'm feeling really comfortable taking profits, but I'm always down to take as we go up. Peace.